Alright, so my SEIBON carbon fiber hood just came in. We're gonna open it up and see if there's any damages, and then we're gonna test fit it, see if the fitment is good, and then we will take the hood and my front bumper to the paint shop so they can paint match with the rest of the car, and then all be one color. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with the carbon fiber hood. I'm gonna paint it white and then leave the vents carbon fiber, so it's gonna look pretty cool. Go SEIBON carbon fiber hood, I choose you. All right, so we're gonna take this out on the driveway and make sure there's no damages, because if it's damaged or anything, you contact SEIBON and take some pictures and email it to them, and they will give you a new one, I guess. All right, let's get started. All right, last one. All right. Woo. All right. Some bubble wrapping, taped pretty good. All right, I got some long boards that I'm gonna run across so I can bring the hood up. Let's see. Woo. Carbon fiber hood. Wow. Look at it. So nice. No. No scratches. Shit. Nope. You just rub it off. Nope, they're just marks. Just marks. Check the edges. Alright, the edges are pretty important. More little marks so you can just rub off. Yeah. There's a little dot right there inside. Little hole, looks like a little knot. It's a good thing I'm painting everything. So the whole hood's gonna be paint matched white, and I'm gonna leave this part, the inside of the vents, carbon fiber. So right here, each left sides and this part, and everything else is gonna be white. Let's check this side. This side looks good. Yeah. Looks good. Feels like plastic. Is this real carbon fiber? Dang. There's holes in it. Alright, so no damages from shipping. The only thing I see is that little knot hole on the inside of the carbon fiber. It's pretty noticeable. See that little circle right there, the little dot? And if you can see that, see it right there, I think that would be pretty annoying to look at every day, especially being on the driver's side. But luckily I'm painting this. We got this little thank you paper, some instructions, and a little SEIBON catalog. Here's the back side. Taking off the hardware. Look at those vents. Yo, what if water gets in?
You hydrolock your engine.
Alright.
Slam it really hard.
Gently, gently, gently.
Doesn't latch. Dude, it just says BAM! Slam it really hard. Guarantee you it'll
So this SEIBON piece of shit, the damn, what are these called?
Testicles.
Hood balls don't freaking fit, so you gotta take sock balls and put it in so your hood struts can fit.
And torque it to 100 foot-pounds.
Yeah. No, don't do it to 100 foot-pounds.
150.
See the vents? Pretty high quality china here. Catch the thing. Feels kind of cheap. I'm gonna put some JB weld on this because I don't trust this little hook staying on. Let's see if it works. There we go. Never mind, I measured wrong. Yeah, I measured up here.
Yay.
Gently. There we go.
Harder.
I don't know, man. This is a whole quarter.
Bondo.
Quarter inch. This one's perfect. This one's this though.
Yeah, it was worse on the Subaru.
Oh, really?
Like, at least yours, look, it's even.
Oh, yeah,
Mine was like freaking, like you could feel a big giant ass bump.
Do you think it varies between like each one made?
Hood, yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Because they're handmade, right?
Yeah, they're all handmade.
So this needs to be bigger?
Honestly, yeah, they should have made it, the hood itself, bigger so it closes the gap more.
Fucking SEIBON. Damn SEIBON. We paid this much money and this is what we get? They should sponsor me. Make a video. Guess it looks pretty good. Yeah, fitment's relatively good. At least it's flat. Bro, he charged me $700 for all the pieces. So the front lip, side skirt, the, what are those called, rockers, this, the spoiler, and then rear diffuser, that was $700.
I paid $700 for that.
For what?
2 hood scoops, 2 side skirts, and the trunk and the wing.
Dang, let's check it out. It's lighter than this. This is darker. 700
Yeah.
for this.
2 side skirts and 2 hood scoops.
Oh,
I have 2 of those.
what else?
That's it.
Well, that's a new one, huh? Hey, you need, it's a word Subaru right here. I don't like debadged cars. You gotta put something there. Oh, put a Toyota. That looks cool, right? Here, you hold it.
Up here.
Oh wait, no, that looks janky. Do it in the middle. Do it in the middle. Straighten it out. It's not. It's like turn it. Turn it. There you go. Nope, too much. All right. No, it looks like a fucking piece of shit, like a Corolla.
It is a Corolla.
It's a Corolla GR.